Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Bitrock chain coin. Ticker symbol is BROC. This coin just got a brand new Mainnet listing, it says. We're going to go over the information on this coin and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this coin or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this coin here. The Bitrock chain coin, ticker symbol is BROC. It says, mainnet listing available now, deposits and withdraws on Bitmart. This is just a brand new announcement here. So it says, we support the BROC mainnet, and they're thrilled to announce their support of the BROC mainnet. Then it has a link to their Twitter at Bitrock chain. So like I said, ticker symbol is BROC, so that's what you would search. And if you want to find Bitmart, if you don't have a Bitmart account, you could download Bitmart from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store, get it on your PC. Bitmart. So that's where this coin is listed here. If you want to find their Twitter, I'm going to put it up right here, at Bitrock chain. On their Twitter, you will see that it is brand new. They just joined in July 2023, 7,287 followers. Has their Twitter, or has their Telegram listed on their Twitter, at Bitrock chain on Telegram. And they also have their webpage, bit-rock.io. Their Telegram has 2,958 subscribers. It says portal of Bitrock, the Bitrock community portal. And let's see here. It says Bitrock, the layer 2 EVM compatible blockchain. And they just have a brand new tweet that they pinned here from August 1st. It says, we are very excited to announce that our bridge to our mainnet is live. Thanks to Sphinx Labs, and they have a link to a different Twitter here, at Sphinx Labs, for building the safe and perfectly working bridge. Below here we describe on how to bridge your Bitrock to our mainnet. So you can learn all about that if you want. They have also underneath that, they just did 1 hour ago, in-house Twitter space with huge announcements. So you could follow that. And yeah, all sorts of cool updates on their Twitter. 358 posts so far. So they're very active on their socials, especially since they just joined in July, to almost have 400 tweets already. That's a lot. So if you go to their webpage, you can find community links, a link to their decentralized exchange, staking, bridging, connect to chain, partnerships, explore. That'll probably take you over to some sort of document if you want to check that out. So it says build. Oh, they do have a document right underneath that. White paper 1.0, it says. Then they have the Bitrock price. It's about 8.3 cents, it says. It's actually down 6.5% in the past 24 hours. And it says the markets for this token, you can get it on Uniswap. You can get it on Bitmart, like I just mentioned, or BitGet. B-I-T-G-E-T is another central exchange that you can get this coin on. So Bitrock is an Ethereum IBFT 2.0 proof of authority POA sidechain with near zero gas fees and lightning speed block times. On top of having a cost-effective, scalable, and high-speed infrastructure, Bitrock will have a unique multi-chain decentralized exchange swap where cryptocurrencies can be traded directly on their native chains without the need to use decentralized exchange natives to those chains. Hold native chain tokens or pay gas fees in those native tokens. All of the former can be handled through Bitrock's native multi-chain decentralized exchange, and all gas is equalized from other chains and paid in Bitrock 20. Now, it says connect to the chain. So the Bitrock network is now live and can be publicly accessed. Bitrock supports all Ethereum virtual machine deployments and tools such as MetaMask, Truffle, and Ethereum bytecodes. The Bitrock network can be manually added to MetaMask, and they have all of that information available right on their webpage, bit-rock.io. It says chain list, mainnet, testnet, goes over the chain ID, the symbol, which ticker symbol, like I said, is Brock. RPC URLs on here, and yeah, you can check out the testnet. So it says build on Bitrock blockchain, fast, secure, and scalable. Bitrock is built for scalability, security, and speed, 2-second block times. Near zero gas fees for any type of native BTR20 transaction. Gas fees are negligible. And it has the price, which is a lot of zeros. And then it is EVM compatible. So smart contracts are building blocks for EVM applications. Bitrock is a layer 2 EVM sidechain blockchain that supports all EVM applications and bytecodes. So their partnerships, it says Bitrock is extremely privileged to be working and supporting the following integrated partners like Sphinx Labs, Flues, Dex Tools, DexView, PinkSale, Gecko Terminal. So maybe they had a PinkSale pre-sale on here. Maybe I missed that one. Usually I'm up to date on the pre-sales that do very well, so maybe I missed this one. So it says roadmap plan phase 1, building the project team, team member role assignment, Bitrock social setup, testnet development. Phase 2, testnet explorer development, faucet, testnet release, launch preparation, website launch, socials go live. Phase 3 is going to be Bitrock launch on the Ethereum chain, staking launch, community building, marketing campaign number 1, public testnet testing. And phase 4, mainnet release, Twitter Space and Telegram AMAs, CoinGecko CoinMarketCap listing, mainnet integration with various exchanges and platforms, tier 1 and 2 central exchange listings, multi-chain decentralized exchange release, first projects launch on Bitrock chain, marketing campaign number 2, and last phase, phase 5, press releases, marketing articles published on major platforms, partnerships with major agencies, Bitrock chain support for doxed projects, and more to be announced. Total supply 100 million. Buy and sell tax if you're going to get this on Uniswap, 4% tax, so you'll probably have to set your slippage around 4%. They do have a swap right on their webpage, buy on Flues. You could use Flues trade. And basically 1% it says goes to liquidity and 3% goes to development. So that's what their tax is for there. So check this all out, bit-rock.io, and you can find this listed here on Bitmart, BitGet, and Uniswap. Check out their Twitter, that's up right here. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos, where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. Check out all the referral codes. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.